So, we've had lots of questions on our YouTube channel, Facebook. Can you cook a joint in the new Pulse barbecues? Well, you can. We've never tried it, so we're going to try it today. So we're going to cook a lamb, shoulder, and a belly of pork. I'm going to use the tandoori rub on the lamb and the herb on the pork. So, just going to put them in a tin tray. Pork in there like that. Sprinkle that over there. Lovely. Really get that in there. That really will get into that pork. It's got a bit of salt and pepper in there, so everything that you need. It's one of our favourite rubs that we use for the pork. That's the pork ready. I'm going to change these gloves quickly because I don't want the same rub going on the So, put the tandoori with the lamb. Oh, this is going to be interesting. I've never tried this before. That's always the first time for everything. Look at that colour on that now. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Rub that in. So the next stage is we're going to put it onto the two Pulse barbecues. So we're now ready to put the joints into the Pulses. The Pulse 1000, I'm going to put the belly of pork in there. I want it at really high temperature so I can get that crackling at the maximum. That will be for about half an hour. So let's get the first joint in. Oh, that's lovely and hot. Set that in there like that. And then on the Pulse 2000, I'm going to be about 195 to 200 and just slowly cooking this lamb. Just nice and gently, and away we go, just in the Weber tin foil there. And we'll come back later on and have a look at how it's going. Right, so it's been half an hour, so let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Now that crackling is just perfect, so now I'm going to turn it down to about 190, 200, and leave that for about 2 hours, and that should be fine, or maybe an hour and a half. We're checking about an hour and a half. So the lamb's been on for about 2.5 hours now. Just going to check the temperature. I like it at about 60 and she's at 61, so that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So let's get that off. Oh, smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, put that on the plate. Put that away. Right, so I've let it rest for about 10-15 minutes, and now I'm going to try this. Would you like to try a bit, Sarah?
Yes, please.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, look at that. My favourite. Tuck in, Sarah. Don't be shy. That's lovely. If anything, I would say it's a little bit overdone for what I'd like, but most people... And it is lovely and tender. That is perfect.
That's so tender and beautiful. So moist.
And that's how you cook a leg of lamb on the Pulse 2000. And the reason I haven't used the iGrill on the Pulse today is because I'm using two Pulses and they'll conflict with each other. That's why I've just used the ordinary Pro. So this has been cooking for about 2 hours. That looks amazing. Just check the temperature. Oh yeah, 69. By the time I leave that to rest for 5 or 10 minutes, that'll be fine. Let's get that baby off. That is hot. So let's bring that over. Oh, look at that. That looks perfect. Okay, Sarah, do you fancy trying a bit of this pork?
Certainly do.
Oh, that is perfect. That is absolutely perfect. And obviously you've got to be a bit careful with the string, but just as this demonstration, it doesn't matter. Oh, that pork is absolutely superb. Try that and see what you think of the rub.
Okay.
Let's take that bit of string out.
It's really tasty.
This is the rub I use for this. And we used the tandoori on the lamb, and that was superb as well. That is so simple to do. This is cooked on the Pulse 1000. Very simple to do. And look at that. Absolutely perfect. If you need any more help, any advice, just give us a shout. We're always here. We're on YouTube, Facebook, you name it, we're there. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you need any further tips, don't hesitate to give us a ring. And try the Weber Grill On book. Some really, really good tips in here on how to cook different foods. So there's lots of information. If we can be of any help, just give us a shout. Thank you for listening.